Hey everybody, Josh here with Adventure Roads. Autumn's working out of town, and then I actually have a day off. We have some rain moving in. I don't have quite the firewood storage. I have some of my firewood up under the stacked up under the trees, and I have one IBC tote under the deck to keep the wood out of the weather. So anyways, it looks like we have some rain snow mix coming in. This is really weird weather for us for February. Normally we're at like 0 or below 0 or definitely below 32, and today I think it's right around 32 right now. And then yesterday was I was working, but it was like over 40 degrees yesterday, maybe even 45 in spots in the region. So anyways, gonna load a little bit of wood up in the bucket, throw it in the IBC tote that's on the back of the deck. So anyways, hope everybody's having a great day, and if the rain holds off, I might go find some little bit of roadside trimmings at the wood that they cut up. So we'll see what happens today. Here's what we have going on. There's my IBC tote with firewood there. The Massey 1735M. Still got my disc on the back. A little bit of weight on the back, I guess. And then there's this stack. This stack here will get me through February and probably March for what we heat. Yeah, this house is just under 1,100 square foot. It's like 1,080 square foot, so it doesn't take much to heat it, and the Yodel does a great job. All right, let's go load it up. Ash. You can see where the ash borer was. Some red oak. Some of Joe's premium firewood, locust. Now we're going to throw it from there to there, and that should, one basket lasts me for a while, probably at least 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how hard I'm burning. All right, the IBC tote is loaded up. It's raining. That's pretty crazy. Hope you have a dry day where you're at. Enjoy your day. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some ribs going and have dinner ready for when Autumn gets home from work. So everybody have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Click subscribe, hit like, and share with your friends. Create your own story today.